guys. Looks like a check engine lights on a semi truck. Put us a few days behind. So here I am driving to do some hunting. We're gonna go hit that Columbia River. This is a spot where I go sometime, but it's just I don't go there that much. So we'll see what happens. But here we go. See you there. Here we go. We're going by that boat launch. Marina Park. I've done some hunting over there. Really never got really too happy about it, but let's see what's going on this place. It's exciting to get back, do some more hunting for 2020, guys. 2020 is hunting. Trying to think if I ever find anything good here, but you never know. Today could be the day. You know, it's a good place to put your boat in or a jet ski. You know, and it does get pretty busy during the summer. So there's got to be something going on here. We're gonna be hunting over there on the left-hand side. There's a beach going on over there. All right, guys. So here we are. This is gonna be the place we'll be hunting it. Hopefully we get something. This beach is much bigger during the summer, but like I said, there's a lot of boats coming in here. A lot of people, you know, lay out on the beach here, so you never know. Let's see what's going on. See what the Equinox got. Here we dug this thing. It was that boulder was in there, so I got that boulder out. But it looks like it's in this spot right here. And we got something. So it was ringing around number 12, or at least 6 inches deep. Okay. What is that? That's nothing. Number 12. That just sucks, guys. That just does not work. That's the start right here, guys. That's the start. Let's see if we can. Yeah. Got to be it. Yeah. Annoying. Alright guys, here's the number 2. Let's see what's going on in there, guys. What's out? Wow. So back-to-back bottle caps. Number 12. But, you know, it could be a gold ring, so it's annoying. As it is, you gotta dig it, guys. Finally pulled out of that hole a penny and came back over here, and this gave me a pretty nice good sound here. But I wasn't exactly 100% sure what it was. Alright guys, so we pulled a quarter from there and it came back over here to this hole right here. And we pulled ourselves this quarter here, guys. Come on, focus on it. There you go. Not sure what year this thing is, but focus. 19 yeah. not focusing on me. At least I can't see it. 85 maybe? Yeah, 1985. There you go. We'll take it. We got one in the 20s. Right by the river. Supposed to snow today. And look at me, I'm over here doing it. It's out. I got it at the hole, not very deep. I think I see it. It looks like we got ourselves a key for 2020, guys. My first key on 2020. Over here. If you're looking for it, you know who's got it. Yeah. Anyway, it's a key. Here we got a number 14, and no digging needed. You can see I just basically rub my metal detector right over the top, and you can see right there, right here, there's something. Ah, yep, it would have been nice. The friendly pull tab, guys. Yep, that would have been nice. It was right on top there, sounded good. Usually this is like in the same neighborhood with the gold ring, guys. Yep, thought we got something. Number 25. Now we're in the pile, got it out of that hole. Oh yeah. 25. She's looking mighty fine. And she is gonna be a dime. That's not silver. That is not silver, guys. So we'll take it. Of course, I'm saying that, but it's not like I can see that number. Let's see. Is she? She's looking good. $19.89. There you go. Pretty solid 13 over here. I think we'll see it. Oh. Well, it's not a gold ring, guys. So it's definitely a start. My first nickel for 2020. Yeah, I'll take it. Take it. We're taking it. First nickel, guys. All right. It was nice. It was actually nice and solid. I was like, man, it would be nice. I've been pulling pull tabs. I could just walk around and see pull tabs, like, you know, one there, one there. They're like everywhere. But whatever. Like I said, they get all, and look what you get, right? But still no snow. Water looks good. I was cold when I got here, but I'm all right. Still on that hunt for that ring. Well, guys, I'm still here, believe it or not. I got to the conclusion that, you know, they don't call it a metal detector for nothing. That's all you're doing. It doesn't matter how much you pay. You're like metal detecting. You know, it should say gold detecting, and it should just go for the gold, or silver detecting, you know, not metal detecting. Basically, what we're doing, we're just cleaning up the beach. You know, all the pull tabs, all the metal, all the nails and stuff like that, you know. I mean, this thing doesn't pull out nails, but it does pull the big ones, you know, if it's got something attached to it, you know. But, yeah, the only thing that I can say, it's nice being outside, you know, digging it. But it's just, you know, I wish they really actually make one that say, hey man, when you hear the sound, that's a gold ring or it's gold, you know. But can they do it? I think they can, but it's just not happening. We might have to come up with something like that, you know. So yeah, I'll still be digging it before it gets dark, but you know, it's like, I just show you a little background over here. Sun is gonna go down pretty soon, you know, whatever. Doesn't look good that way, I guess, but I'm digging it for now, guys. 2020, I think, yeah, it is my, yeah, first time, 2020. You know, I got some nickel, dime, quarter, pennies, and bottle cap and pull tabs. Nothing else exciting, and you know, I'm not sure if anybody was here or not, but you know, haven't been here for a while, so somebody should have left some behind for Equinox. Anyway, just saying, we got something that has potential of being probably silver. Come on. So 430 there. Let's see what that is, guys. It'd be nice to be a silver ring. I can think with that. But we'll see what happens. Now it's jumping. Let's see what that would be, guys. I can't see it. Alright, looks like a second quarter for today. No silver ring, just another quarter, but you know, quarter is good to, it's welcome, can't say no. Let's see if we can hook up with a gear on that. I might not be able to see it, but you guys can probably figure it out. Okay, we got another good sounding target over here. Right next to the water. Let's get the sounding really good. Let's see what's going on. Yep. Another one of those guys. Another one of those. And it's definitely a quarter. And we don't know exactly. Oh no, it's a quarter. What all, guys? Okay, so next to that quarter, I was getting another sound and I keep digging. I didn't know what it was. Look at this bad boy. It was deep in there, but we're gonna add that to the collection. We got lots of these guys, lots of them. I wish I could find gold as much as I can find lead. But hey, that looks like we're on the road. All right, guys. So this thing is saying that there's something here that's giving me a number that could be either silver or a quarter. So let's see. I didn't even have to dig. This is right on top of clay. You see it? Right there. That's just on top of clay, guys. Yeah, I was under, but you know, I mean, I didn't have to really dig for that thing. It's another quarter sitting over here chilling. Let's see what this thing says it is. Been there for a while, looks like. Oh. Yeah. Well, can't tell, guys. Can't tell. But it's a quarter. Alright, guys. Looks like something's that's coming down on us. But just wanted to show you guys that. I wish I can get gold as fast as I can get these quarters. Not that I'm complaining, but this one is a crusty one. We're gonna have to clean it up later.